Naval and air assets were deployed by AFP Western Command following reports of loud explosions and visible scout trails linked to China's Long March 12 rocket launch. The incident alarmed residents and raised public safety concerns, as our Patrick De Jesus tells us more.
The AFP Western Command has deployed a ship and a helicopter to search for possible debris from the Chinese space rocket that fell near Palawan. The Philippine Coast Guard earlier confirmed the loud explosions heard by residents from the eastern part of Palawan, where a condensation trail was also spotted in the sky. This coincided with the launch of the Long March 12 rocket from Hainan province in China on August 4. Before this, the Philippine Space Agency issued an advisory regarding the rocket's drop zone near Palawan.
A naval vessel and a rotary aircraft was deployed sa Sulu Sea roughly between the eastern side of the mainland Palawan and Tubataha. Doon yung area na pina-check or pinuntahan ng aircraft at saka vessel.
At present, no debris has been sighted yet, but Wescom will continue searching to ensure public safety.
Dahil na rin po sa sa warning na inisyu ng NDRIMC, ayaw po natin na may ibang hawak na na mga civilian at baka po contaminated siya. At the same time, we wanted to have the waterways po clear of any debris that may cause accidents or ibang pang untoward incidents po. Plano po ng Wescom na hanapin hanggat hindi nakikita or hindi na practical, hanapin kung mahirap talagang makita sa dagat.
National Security Advisor Eduardo Año called China's rocket launch irresponsible as it could endanger residents, especially those in Palawan. Año strongly condemned the incident and urged the public to avoid approaching any debris and instead report it immediately to authorities. The government has also expressed concern over China's rocket launch, with the Department of Foreign Affairs calling all states to act responsibly in its space activities.
Titingnan po muna kung may nalabag, pero as of the moment parang wala naman pong nakikita na paglabag ng anuman.
Patrick De Jesus from the National TV for a New and Better Philippines.